There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is just a little 15-minute motivational clean with me. 15 minutes, get it all done. So my house is in a bit of a tip right now because Lawrence and I had a lazy evening the night before, so we did nothing in terms of cleaning and putting things away. So I'm paying for it today, which is why I thought I would film it for you. But this is going to be the downstairs speed clean of my house. I will be doing part 2, which is the upstairs speed clean, which I will put live next week. So make sure you are subscribed to see that video and more on this channel. Grab your cup of teas, light those candles. Yes, I still go for my pumpkin candles. I put a podcast on and then I get cleaning. So the first thing I do is actually take everything off the kitchen sides.
You know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time. We all play our part.
Also, near the start of me cleaning, I will put the dishwasher on. There's nothing as cozy as listening to your dishwasher whirring while you're upstairs working. I just absolutely love that.
Forget to be kind.
The next thing I do is grab my Shark Hoover. I always put it on the turbo power setting just because it's just so much quicker if you do it like that. By the way, this Hoover I absolutely love. I will link this Hoover down below for you in case you want to treat yourself to a new Hoover. It's probably one of the best purchases I've actually ever made. It's such a good vacuum cleaner. I love it. Then I grab my Eco Action kitchen cleaner in rhubarb. I buy this from Aldi and it's a method cleaner dupe. It's so good. I highly recommend it. I do find that we're currently in a culture where everybody is kind of overbuying cleaning products and they're using just so many different products for so many different things. This kitchen cleaner can literally clean your entire kitchen. It's fabulous. It degreases, gets stains and marks off, and you know the bacteria is gone once you've used it. Oh, don't forget to turn your microwave off, by the way. I always forget to when I start cleaning it, but I give the microwave a good clean. I am actually living in a rented home at the moment, so this isn't my preferred choice of kitchen style, and I definitely wouldn't want to have a microwave that's big and black out on show, but that's fine. You know, you've got to deal with the cards you're dealt, and I actually love my home. Until we buy our future house, I'm very, very, very happy here. So anyway, I get on cleaning the entire kitchen, including the fridge, all the surfaces, and then I make a start on the sink.
There's something in the air.
I have 2 sections to my sink. One section is actually the cat sink and one is our sink, and I keep them separate on purpose. Obviously, I do love to use the Pink Stuff cream cleaner. If you are going to invest in any of the Pink Stuff products, that's the only one I personally invest in. It is fabulous, gets rid of so much dirt and grease. Then I go over it with my Eco Action spray.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground.
The next thing I focus on is my oven. Again, it's not my preferred oven, but I can't actually change it. So I make the best of it. I give it a good clean, and a little tip of mine, I spray some cleaner on top of the hob and then I turn the hobs on just for about 5 seconds, and the heat is so good at removing the top layer of any dirt or grime, and it just makes it extra shiny and extra clean, and also makes the whole house smell good. After I've cleaned all the kitchen surfaces and the oven. To make the entire kitchen clean, I will then go in with my diluted Sephora spray and a microfiber cloth, and I will literally spray it everywhere, just so I know every single handle, door, surface, side is definitely germ free and it's a clean environment. It will smell good afterwards, and yeah, just so I know it's perfectly clean in the house and everything's just that bit shinier when you go over with a microcloth.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond hope. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy.
And that's my kitchen pretty much so clean now and looking good. So the last thing I do is tidy everything away, make it look nice. I've got some laundry powder to put away, and I light my candles and my incense. I will link my incense that I buy down below. I get a lot of questions about my incense, and it's actually such a gorgeous smell. It's very beautiful. My incense house I bought in Belgium, and I have not found anything even remotely similar to this, unfortunately, but if I do today, I will link it down below for you. But there's my kitchen looking super duper clean and just a lot better. My mind is always healthier when I've got a super duper clean, organised and a kitchen that smells very, very good.
Bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back some.
Okay, next up I focus on my hallway between my kitchen, bathroom and living room. Essentially I just go over all the sides with my multi-surface cleaner. That is great for dust. A lot of dust comes into the house. I don't know why, but it does. Get rid of these old flowers that have now unfortunately died, and hoover up all the crumbs, just all the little bit of dust balls I might find. Then I will also go over again with the diluted Sephora and a new microfiber cloth, just to make sure all the germs are gone and it smells good in the house.
Driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Also by the front door I keep my keys and a little hand antibacterial gel from Bath and Body Works. This stuff smells so good. Pumpkin cupcake, oh my gosh, it's the best. Okay, now we move on to my front room. I love this room. It's definitely coming together. There's a few bits I want to change in here, like the white IKEA furniture that's holding the telly. I want to get something a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more me. So something maybe rattan. Also, this makes me laugh so much how Lawrence was staring out the window and lifting his leg right up. Oh gosh. Anyway, I need to clean my clothes away here. They were drying over the night. I need to fold up the sofa duvet we have. We have a sofa duvet just for the evenings when we both finished working. We can sit under the duvet and watch a bit of TV together, maybe, only sometimes. Obviously I need to do a lot of dusting in this room because nearly everything is wood, so I do a lot of dusting. I punch the sofa cushions all properly just so they're in shape again, give it a good hoover.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
I use this Astonish fabric refresher spray. This stuff is great. It's also a ethical product and if you spray it all over your sofa, the sofa will smell really good for weeks. So I will do that just so the sofa smells really nice. I've also recently washed my sofa fabric lining, so if you have done that yourself, please let me know. But it was so satisfying to take it all off and put it in the wash. But yeah, I will clean the table with my microfiber cloth and the Pledge multi-surface spray. This stuff is just great for everything.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Love hoovering this rug. We picked this rug up from IKEA and it's just it's such a lovely rug. It was quite affordable as well, and I love the lines that the hoover makes in the rug. Also, after spraying, I will leave it about 15 minutes and then I will go in with a handheld attachment to vacuum up my sofa, just to get rid of any dust, any cat hair and any residue liquid that might be there. I just get a bit paranoid because I do have 2 cats, so I don't want residues being left there for a cat to possibly lick. And I hoover up the back door entrance. This is constantly getting dust and mud bits there, and give it a good polish. I've also gone around all the surfaces with a bit of Sephora again, just so there are no germs on any of the door handles. Last thing I will actually do is polish the floor with a floor polisher, but I've run out. I can't visit B&M at the moment either, so I'll have to wait to do the floors, but obviously I give them a good hoover. Yeah, that's my living room, nice and clean and tidy and organised. It just feels so much better, makes my mind feel clear to go and sit in there now.
They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep. Cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go?
The last room downstairs is actually my downstairs bathroom, and this room, look, it's a mess. It always becomes a mess. We are terrible with leaving our clothes just piled up there. So the first thing I do is fold up all the clean clothes so I can bring them upstairs and put them away, put any of the dirty clothes in the laundry basket, and then essentially it's a bathroom. So I need to use something that will kill the germs. So I bleach the toilet and sink just so that stays really nice and clean, and also it whitens it all. And then I will use my very seasonal scrub just to scrub away at all the dirt and anything that might need help coming off. I'll also put a bit of baking soda there so I can put my Sephora mixture down later. Then with my bath, I normally clear away everything that I've left on the bath tray, and then with the actual bath itself I will use my Method bathroom spray. This stuff is great for your actual bath. I spray this every evening when I have a bath afterwards, and it gets rid of everything. It keeps it nice and clean, no germs. So I give that a good scrub and then I wash it down with hot water.
Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go?
I think it's looking really nice and clean. I will link this bath tray down below for you and anything else you might have seen in the video, just because I always get questions on that. I'll always finish my morning speed clean with hoovering all around downstairs and then mopping up the kitchen floor especially. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching today. Don't forget part 2 is coming over to the channel next week. I love you guys so much. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.
That she'd leave, was I too naive to think that she'd